Adobe Lightroom on PC is one of the most powerful tools for professional photo editing in 2026. It allows photographers, content creators, and designers to edit raw images, improve colors, remove distractions, and create cinematic photo styles much more efficiently. And honestly, Lightroom makes photo editing much faster once you understand the workflow. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit photos in Adobe Lightroom on PC step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC and create or open an existing catalog. Now import the photos you want to edit using the Import button inside Lightroom. The Develop module is where most editing tools are located inside Lightroom. Start by improving the overall lighting using exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. When your editing is complete, export the image using the correct resolution, file format, and quality settings. And honestly, professional photo editing is usually about subtle improvements instead of extreme effects. Clean lighting and natural colors often look much better long-term. And that's your full guide on how to edit photos in Adobe Lightroom on PC in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to improve lighting, colors, and overall image quality using Lightroom.